everybody? Today I'm going to show you a secret ingredient to model making, and that is blue Loctite sticky tack. This stuff is the most legit stuff. It will save your life for many of hardships. Trust me in this. All you do is just twist it off, pop it to a toothpick, and bingo, you have yourself a miracle worker. You can just stick this to it, use a bigger piece of tack, and just remove it just like that. So it comes off the plastic super easily. If you've ever used silly putty, you know exactly where that can come in handy. Silly putty tends to be a mess and never can clean up. This is also great if you even wanted to mask off something just real quick while it's on the stick or something. You just attach it to it, it's masked, stick it to the thing, and you're good to go. You don't even need to tape it or anything like that. You can just mask it right with the sticky tack. Windshields can also be a bugger, so I like to stick the tack to it really lightly, just barely anything at all. So any touch or movement of this thing is going to make it fall off. I like to just attach it to my windshield, just barely any stick at all. I mean, it just, even if you just touch it to it, it sticks to it. So if you just barely touch it, put it on your model, whatever, and then just bend it or twist it, it comes right off super easily, and then it won't mess up your line that you put on with the micro glue or whatever, crystal clear glue. So it's just a super easy way to do windshields and stuff. Great way to mask, great way to paint, especially with airbrush when you're doing lots of wheels. I gotta say that's the best trick for wheels, is to just put the wheel on and spin it around while you airbrush it. So literally the best thing ever. You can also put this stuff inside of wheel wells in tricky situations, nice and softly, and remove it very, very easily. Just like that. If you had a big goop of it, if you wanted to spend the money, you could use that on your wheel wells and all of it would come out as well. I wouldn't cram it in there completely, but you can put it all the way around the edges and it will be nice and sticky, and then you can pull it off later. So now, using that trick, you can use a little foam piece off of dollar store foam. Pop your thing on which way you want, stick it in the foam. Super easy, cheap way. I mean, this Loctite stuff is literally like $5 maybe. Not even that, maybe. I think it's like $4. And yeah, super useful. So give it a go. Leave a comment if you like this idea, and let me know if you've already heard of it before. Just make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for the next video. Take it easy.